Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the equalizer for Motorola Vervebuds 200. And to do this you will need to get the Verve Live app. We can download it from any basic store on your smartphone or iPhone. Then go for Verve Live, open it. Inside, make sure that your earbuds are connected. You can check my previous video on how to connect Vervebuds 200 with Android smartphone for that. Now go for equalizer settings. Make sure that it's on. There's a switch for that right here. You can enable surround sound, adjust the bass boost, and choose different booster. So let's go for the user. Actually, nothing changes right here, I think. So let's stay with FX booster, and that's basically all of the settings for this equalizer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.